Hello, I'm Sasha. My January 2020 Ipsy Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus just arrived in the mail today and I'm so excited to unbox them with you. So first I'm going to get started with the Ipsy Glam Bag. This one costs about $12 a month for 5 deluxe samples. They also let you choose one ahead of time, which is really awesome. So every month you get a new cosmetic bag. This month their theme is sort of this white marble, which is really cute. They usually put your products inside unless they can't fit or something. I didn't get a description card for my products this month, but they do have this sort of resolution card where you can make a resolution for the new year. So the first product I got is this Luxie medium fan brush. I've heard a lot of great things about Luxie and I love that they're a cruelty-free brand. The bristles on this seem super soft and I love that they're vegan. Next we have a RealHer eyeshadow. This is the shade Incomparable. It looks like kind of a nice taupey shade and has a nice creamy formula. This is actually something that I might consider using as a brow powder. I don't really like using single eyeshadows very much because I tend to prefer using palettes, but as a brow powder this might be a great blonde shade. Next we have the JJ Young Pore Glow Mask. It looks like a creamy clay mask that used to help exfoliate and brighten your face. I have quite a few masks right now, so this isn't something that I would use immediately, but it is something that I probably will use once it's in the summer when I want more sort of exfoliation and brightening. Next I have the Context Liquid Lip Lacquer in the shade Mad Love. It looks like a beautiful sort of mauve pink shade, and it smells really nice, kind of like vanilla or something. I was really excited to see that this company is cruelty-free and is more focused on the quality of their ingredients. This is definitely something that I will be trying, and this is a really great shade for me, so I'm really happy about that. Lately I've been getting a lot of kind of dark or bold shades from Ipsy, and I really love neutrals like this because this is what I end up wearing most of the time. Next we have the product I picked out myself, which was the Too Faced Hangover RX Primer. I was really excited to see that even though Too Faced is a more traditional cosmetic company, they offered a silicone-free primer. I tend to react to silicones, especially in primers and foundations, and so this is definitely something I've been wanting to try for a while. This was definitely a great month for the Ipsy Glam Bag for me, and I think it definitely paid for itself. Every month hasn't always been this great, but I was really happy with the products that I got, and there's a lot of things that I'll be using. Please keep in mind with both the Ipsy Glam Bag and the Glam Bag Plus that each bag is customized based on your profile and your reviews. So the things that I get in my bag won't necessarily be things that someone else will be getting. Next I have the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. This one costs $25 a month and it's for 5 full-size products. Mine also shipped with a few add-ons that I'll be showing you as well. Just like the Ipsy Glam Bag, this one comes with its own cosmetic bag. This one is different and slightly larger than the one in the regular Ipsy Glam Bag, so you don't have to worry about doubles if you get both. So first we have the Space Case Cosmetics Seen From Space highlighters in 1C and 1B. 1C is kind of an icy gold shade. It's a very creamy formula. It's not like a powder. I don't really think I'll use this because I don't really like this kind of tone as a highlighter. However, 1B is a more traditional sort of golden amber highlighter, and I think that's one that I would use maybe even as an eyeshadow. Next we have the Purlisse Blue Lotus 4-in-1 I Adore Serum. It sounds like it's sort of an under eye treatment and serum that's supposed to help kind of rejuvenate and moisturize. I might try this one out, but I'm actually pretty happy with the eye products I'm using right now, so I don't know if it's something I would add into my regular rotation. Just to test it out, it looks like kind of a creamy product. It's not like a traditional oil serum, and it has just kind of a soft, natural scent to it. It doesn't feel like it's fragranced. Next we have the Nature's Cartel lipstick in 90s Nostalgia. This looks like a pretty sort of soft brown nude shade. It doesn't seem to have much of a scent to it. This is a pretty good shade for me. I don't know if it's one that I'll use every day because I tend to like to wear more pinks and corals, but I think this could definitely work with certain eyeshadow looks. This is a cruelty-free and vegan product, which is awesome, and I love how they seem to be focused on the ingredients as well. Next we have the Hanalei Lip Treatment in Clear. It kind of reminds me of like the Bite Beauty Agave Lip Mask. It's pretty hard to get out of the tube. First ingredients are lanolin and petrolatum. I don't think I'll use that because I tend to react to lanolin, which is actually from sheep's wool. However, I do want to give this away because I do think, looking at the ingredients, that it is quite a high quality product and is probably very effective. Last but not least, we have the Huda Beauty Amethyst Obsessions palette. This one retails for $27 alone, and I feel like it's kind of the star of the show in this box. This was actually the product that I chose because I really love eyeshadow palettes, so be on the lookout because I'll definitely be doing a tutorial video with this palette soon. Each month, Ipsy offers a whole bunch of add-on products as well. It's usually about $12 for a full-size product or $3 for a trial size. I really love this because you get to pick out products that you might be wanting already, and they're usually at a very good discount. This month I got 3 of the trial size add-ons, so these cost $3 each. First I got the Farah 160F Face Brush. This is a vegan brush and I love how it has really soft, densely packed bristles. This only costs $3, which I think is a really good value. Next, we have the Go-To Face Oil. This is actually from a company, I think it's in Australia or New Zealand, and I've been wanting to try this for a long time. So I'm really excited that this is actually quite a large size. It's 0.34 ounces, which is a lot for a face oil, and this was only $3 to try through the add-on program. I believe that this is a blend of different face oils, but one drop seems to go a really long way, so I think this will last me a long time. Next, we have the Brooke USA Beauty for Real Lip Revival Tinted Lip Balm in Debbie. This is a really beautiful sort of soft pink shade. As you can see, it applies pretty soft, but I think I'll add just a nice hint of color on those days when I want more of a lip balm. It has a nice scent to it too, sort of like vanilla. This lipstick is actually full size. It ordinarily costs $14, but I was able to get it for only $3 through Ipsy. I really love Ipsy's add-on program because it really encourages me to try out new things because it's so inexpensive to do it. I found that I've been exposed to a lot more beauty brands than I would otherwise, and I really love that Ipsy takes your personal preferences into account and gives you so many choices along the way. I love how you get to pick one product each month and then how you get to hand pick from their add-on items as well. I'd love to hear if you tried Ipsy in the past and what your experience with them has been. If not, I'd love to know if there are any other beauty boxes or products you recommend. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.